Whether you're vlogging, traveling, or documenting your adventures, the Osmo Nano is designed to fit seamlessly into any lifestyle. Now let's talk price. The Nano will start at €369 for the 64GB version and $399 for the 128GB version. Conveniently, these match the pricing of the Insta360 GO 3S, putting DJI in direct competition with its biggest rival in the wearable camera game. And yes, leaked listings have already shown up on multiple web shops, so this one's practically confirmed. Here's the kicker. September 10th, 2025. That's the official launch date, so mark your calendars. Will it reach the US? That remains uncertain, especially with DJI's complicated status in the American market. But for the rest of the world, the Osmo Nano could be the mini camera to beat this year. DJI is back in the pocket-sized action game, and honestly, heck yes, we're excited. After the beloved but short-lived DJI Action 2 was discontinued, everyone wondered what would come next. Well, here it is. Even though the DJI logo was carefully hidden in the leaked images, anyone familiar with DJI's design language spotted it instantly. The Osmo Nano is real and it's coming soon. So, what makes this little beast so special? Let's dive in. At the heart of the Osmo Nano is a magnetic main camera module. And this isn't your standard clip-and-go magnet. We're talking magnetic surfaces on almost every side with the ability to switch magnetic polarity. That means filmmakers can mount it in ways we've never seen before, on metal surfaces, accessories, or even using DJI's brand new wearable lanyard system. Flexibility is the name of the game here. The Nano also comes with built-in memory options of 64GB or 128GB, an OLED HD touchscreen for direct control and remote shooting, and lightning fast charging that powers the main camera up to 80% in just 20 minutes. Add in an SD card slot for expandable storage, and it's clear DJI wants this to be a creator's dream tool. Of course, accessories make or break a modular system, and DJI isn't holding back. Expect a clip mount, suction mount, universal GoPro mounts, and that clever magnetic lanyard that lets you wear the camera under your shirt for hands-free POV filming. DJI Osmo Nano, a wearable, ultra-compact action cam, has leaked, and creators everywhere are buzzing. Woohoo! This isn't just another camera, it's built for people who don't want to fiddle with gear. They just want to live. Heck yes! From the leaks, the Osmo Nano looks more like a magnetized fashion pin than a traditional camera. What? No way! You literally clip it to your shirt, hat, or backpack, and boom, you're filming without even thinking about it. But careful, it blends in so well that you might toss it into the laundry by accident. Oh no, that hurts just thinking about it. Here's where it gets awesome. Despite its tiny size, rumors say the Nano packs AI-powered stabilization, a magnetic screen module, and possibly even wireless mic support. A camera this small doing all that? That's ridiculous in the best way. Yes! DJI is clearly going all in on convenience, but wait. The wildest rumor yet, it could sync with DJI drones to give you aerial POV shots. Whoa! Imagine sprinting through the forest while your drone follows overhead and your Osmo Nano captures your expression from below. Dang, you'd literally become your own director without even lifting a finger. Phew! Compared to the bulkier Insta360 GO Ultra, the Osmo Nano feels like the cool, quiet kid who doesn't try too hard but always delivers. DJI's well-known leaker Igor Bogdanov just dropped a bombshell about the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro. And oh my goodness, this is it. The epic moment we've all been waiting for. Igor posted a jaw-dropping leaked image that showcases the Mini 5 Pro looking absolutely fierce and futuristic. This beast sports a 1-inch camera sensor on a 3-axis gimbal, wide propellers for silky smooth stability, and what appears to be LiDAR obstacle sensors. Boom! Whew. Mind-blowing, right? Compact yet professional, it screams next-level aerial photography. Oh snap, this could be a true game-changer. But hold on. Igor also revealed the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo in not just one, but 2 variations. Haha, can't stop smiling. Both kits come stacked with extra intelligent flight batteries, propeller sets, a charging hub, ND filters, a sleek carry bag, and of course, the controller. One bundle includes the classic RC-N2, while the other flaunts DJI's screen-equipped RC. Igor added, "The time has come for you to prove yourself. The cyber goddess has given her approval." What? The hype just went next level.
Meanwhile, a major camera rumor site confirmed blind pre-orders are already underway. This means the official teaser is just around the corner. A last-minute leak reveals the DJI Mini 5 Pro's official poster. Chinese sources confirm blind pre-orders already flooding in, showing massive demand. The compact professional drone is finally set for announcement, with excitement surging across select regions. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just a drone. It's an emotional roller coaster. From heart-pounding leaks to shocking reveals, one thing is clear: victory vibes are in the air. Mark your calendars, because September 18th, 2025 is about to go down in drone history. That's the confirmed release date of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and trust me, the leaks and whispers have already turned the drone world upside down. Some insiders even say we'll get the announcement a little earlier, on September 16th, so the hype train is officially at full speed. So, what makes this tiny beast such a big deal? Let's start with the fact that it's staying under 249 grams, meaning no hassle with drone registration in most countries. But don't let the lightweight fool you. This thing is loaded. A 1-inch CMOS sensor with around 20 megapixels is stepping into the Mini lineup, delivering 4K video at a jaw-dropping 120 frames per second, complete with HDR support. Yep, buttery smooth slow-motion shots straight from the sky. Battery life? DJI just smashed the ceiling. The new Intelligent Flight Plus battery promises up to 52 minutes of airtime. That's nearly an hour of uninterrupted flying. Pair that with 360-degree obstacle avoidance powered by LiDAR, and you're flying safer, smarter, and longer than ever before. And let's not forget the lenses. A sharp 24mm f1.8 wide for epic landscapes, and a slick 48mm medium telephoto for that cinematic punch. All powered by a beefy 3,350 mAh battery. We also have a supplier code here. Take a look. Pricing looks sharp too, around $799 to $850 for the base, or $1,399 for the Fly More combo with the RC2 controller. Accessories range from $19 propellers to $99 batteries, so scaling up your kit won't break the bank. Old-style click-on propellers are back. Yay! Phew. No more fiddling with tiny screws or screwdrivers after a crash, or when your bag chews up your blades. Fans of the DJI Spark and Mavic Air know exactly how much easier this is going to make life. Then comes the real surprise: clip-on ND filters tailored for the new 1-inch sensor. Whoa! We're talking ND8, ND16, and even ND128, designed to push image quality closer to the mighty Mavic 4. That's wow! Thrilling news for creators who demand cinematic shots. But not everyone is smiling. Some skeptics are, they're questioning if the Mini 5 Pro can actually match pro-level drones. Seriously? What? And yet, the excitement is undeniable. We even spotted a cheeky joke online comparing the ND filters to new Apple Watches. Wait, what? The lens detail E24 f1.8 is now confirmed, and while design changes are subtle, emotions are sky high.